Saturday, January 19th, and it's going to be a great day. Just get my camera ready. I think we're going to make a video today. It's not going to be about camping, but we like to record events in our life, and this is an event. We haven't had over 6 inches since 2009. Heather, my son Gavin, and I were out pretty much the whole day in 2009 when we had that big snowstorm, and we rolled a 4.5 foot snow wheel. It was supposed to be a snowball, but it ended up only being this wide, but this tall. And I'll put a little video in of it right now.
Hi. Don't you drop that!
I got it. I got it. Let me turn.
This is our giant snowball.
Wait a minute.
Well, it has started. It's a little after 10 a.m. Saturday, and it is coming down. Yeah! This is my time of year, people. I love the snow. Heather and I love the snow. We will be in the snow all day today, all night. If the wind doesn't kick up to 40 miles an hour like they're saying, we will have a campfire. We have probably got an inch right now. That is not enough. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got more snow now. Probably almost 4.5 inches now. I'm gonna take my son's SUV. It does really good in the snow. I got these, what's it called? Frost Guard. If you haven't seen these things, they're really cool. They just go over your mirrors. Since he parks outside, we put one of these on. And just take that deal off and throw it. Oh yeah. You do get covered in snow. You gotta get in. There we go. There it is. Okay. Get the heat on. Set it at 85. Let's turn my seat on. Shut the garage. Keep my truck nice and warm. And I gotta remember where everything's at on this vehicle. There we go. Get the rear view. And we better turn on the rear defrost. Alright. Okay, well, off to get Heather.
We got some snow. We didn't get as much snow as we wanted. It's cold out here, and it's windy. So John's snowplow in the driveway.
might ask where we are. We're in the wilderness. Look at the snow.
We're not in the wilderness. We're in our backyard, you goober.
We've been snow blowing our house and all of our neighbors for how many hours?
Like 4.
4 hours here. We'll just show you from the back here where we're at. So our greenhouse, which we don't have plants in, we have wood because it gets really nice and warm in there and we can season wood really fast. So we just thought you'd like to see the snow. So all of you that live in Florida and south, this is what it's like. We love it. So what we're doing now, if you can see on the house, the snow has drifted up where the rain gutters are and it hangs over like icing. But we're going to go and knock all that off with a broom because tonight the temperature is going down sub-zero. Wind chills, we could be way more than sub-zero. And we need to knock that off because what that'll do is that'll freeze. And once it freezes, that's a lot of weight hanging on those rain gutters. So here's our little trail. It has been snowed over quite a few times. So back here, this is like the lowest point because it blows. This is probably about 5 inches. But we got a total of 8.5. You can see here. Our birdhouses, we've had to go fill them and fix them. Man, this is deep. This is well up over. Oh! Okay. Hold on. Okay. Look at that. Look how it. That's so cool. That is so cool. It's like a wave. Oh man, this is really deep over here. So I'm just gonna pop a squat. Oh. I love the snow. Huh? You're doing a fine job, baby. Fine job, she does. I'm gonna make a snow angel. It's actually blue skies. Hold on, let me get out of my snow angel. Oh, I think I just crushed the head. Oh. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's half of a snow angel. Okay. It's gonna be so cool. You got it. You got this. Oh. That's hilarious. It looks like an egg was there. This is beautiful. Let's go check the...
oh, my face is frozen.
Let's go check the bird feeders.
Hey, Phoebe's waving.
Hi, sister. My sister in the windows over there. This is my bird feeder. Ah, this is good. Oh, it's got ice on it. They probably can't land on it. Ah, they can land on it. They're birds. So, looks like the camper has an angry face. Can you guys see that? That's actually really cool. Doesn't that look like an angry face?
Yeah.
With the eyeballs and the nose?
Yeah.
Look, I'm gonna make 2 nostrils. Oh, it's frozen. There, he's got 2 nostrils now. It's the angry face. He's angry because it's cold and it's snowing and we can't go camping.
wanted to show you guys what we do when we're not camping and it's winter time out because we like the snow. Until we talk to you guys next time, remember the only thing better than a campfire are the memories made around it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.